In this video, we're going to talk about group push notifications for React Native Expo push notifications. A group push notification is a notification sent to a specific group of users. So instead of sending your push notifications to all of your users at once, or maybe send a push notification to just one user at a time, this new feature with nativenotify.com will let you send push notifications to a select group of users. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon. Let's go ahead and get started. Your first step, if you haven't already, is to go to nativenotify.com. Click this sign up free button. It's free to sign up. There's no credit card required. That should take you to a page like this. If this is your first time, you're going to want to click this create an app button. Today, we're going to talk about React Native Expo. This will work for both traditional React Native and also for Expo in managed workflow. So if you're using just React Native or Expo, this will work. So let's just go ahead and click this button. Before we can set up group push notifications, if this is your first time, you'll need to follow these start here instructions. It literally takes less than 2 minutes. If you already have Expo in your app, you can skip this Expo setup guide and go straight to step one. You'll just need to install Native Notify and some other packages, and then import register NN push token from the Native Notify package. Paste it right there and you're done. It's already set up. So if you haven't done that yet, there should be a video that pops up on the screen. You'll want to follow those instructions before trying to set up group push notifications. After you've done that, before you can set up group push notifications, the next thing you'll want to do is go to Indie Push. You'll want to set up Indie Push notifications. What this will do is it will allow you to register individual users with us. So if you follow the start here instructions, it will allow you to send push notifications to all your users at once. Indie push notifications will let us send push notifications to individuals. So once you follow these instructions, you'll be able to register individual users, and you can just send one push notification at a time to each individual user. So if you haven't done that already, you'll want to follow this video right here on the screen. It'll walk you through that. Again, this does not take long either, maybe 5 minutes. And then once you've done that, then you're ready to set up group push notifications. So you want to come here to group push notifications. Again, it's really important to follow the Indie push notification setup guide. But if you've done that, you're already ready to start sending group push notifications. All you have to do is use this post call here. In our instructions, I like to use Axios just because it's easier, but you can use fetch too. You'll just need to post to this URL, and you'll need to post this body here. And you'll notice your app ID, your app token are already in there for you, so you don't have to change that. But you can programmatically send push notifications to a group of users using this post request, and you'll just need to put your Indie sub IDs in an array in this sub IDs body right here. And we'll go ahead and do this together in an app real fast. But again, you'll learn about Indie sub IDs in the Indie push setup guide. And that's just basically the IDs you register with us for each individual user. Then you can start sending them to a group of users. Maybe they're similar users in some way. Maybe you have an e-commerce app and a group of users all buy a certain thing, a certain category of products. You might want to put them in a group and then send push notifications to them. So let's go ahead and jump into some code. I'll show you this in an actual app. All right, so here's an app I created. Basically, within it, I have Indie push notifications set up already, so you can register. There's 3 users in this example. There's user 1, user 2, user 3. These are the Indie sub IDs. For you, it might end up if you have users, you might have a user ID that you would want to register as an Indie sub ID. For this example, I just use user 1, user 2, user 3. And then these functions here let you send an individual push notification. And then what we're going to do today is send a group notification. And you'll see right here, we have our post request. But I'll go ahead and delete this and we'll create a new one. So I already have Axios installed in my React Native Expo app. So I'm just going to copy this. I'll come back to my send indie group notification function. I'll just paste that right there. And then I'll just switch out these. I'll say user 1, user 2, and user 3 in this group. All right. And once I click this, it should send a push notification to 3 different phones. So it'll send it to this, and I also have this app installed on my my iPhone and my Android phone right here. All right, so let's go ahead and test this out. First, I'm gonna register user 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna go ahead and send a group push notification, which should go to all my phones. So let's see. All right, and I just got the notifications on my phone. You'll notice right there, I've registered all 3 users on this one phone. So all 3 users received the notification. Same here. I registered all 3 users with this phone. And so they all received the notification. So that's how group push notifications work. We're going to be coming out with some more features pretty soon where it's going to build upon the group push notifications. It's probably going to be called topic push notifications. The way it's going to work is you'll be able to let your users subscribe to a topic. So again, if maybe you're an e-commerce app and you have a group of users buy something in a specific category, well, you could have them subscribe to that topic, and then you'll be able to send push notifications out to just the users who are subscribed to each topic. That should be coming out within the next couple of weeks or so. If you'd like to learn about that, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as this feature is live. It'll be live very soon for the React Native and Expo framework. Don't forget to like the video. It helps us out with the algorithms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.